This overnight treatment with ELEMIS Smart technology replenishes the complexion, giving smoother skin with visible bounce back. It harnesses a powerful blend of Padina Pavonica, microalgae, drone peptide technology and wild indigo oligosaccharides, which works synergistically throughout the night to help restore skin's natural balance. A youthful, firmer feeling and less crumpled appearance is revealed by the morning. Ingredients-Aqua/water/O, Glycerin, Olus oil/vegetable oil/Huile Végétale, Propanediol, Behenyl alcohol, Squalane, Butylene Glycol, Octyldodecanol, Dicaprylyl carbonate, Helianthus Annuus, sunflower, seed oil, Phenoxyethanol, Acrylates/C10-30 Alkyl acrylate cross polymer, Behenyl 25, Glyceryl acrylate/acrylic acid copolymer, benzoic acid, Lavandula angustifolia, lavender, oil, disodium EDTA, Denaliella salina extract, rhizobium gum, sodium hyaluronate, dihydroacetic acid, linalool, lavandula. Hybrida oil, Pelargonium graveolens flower oil, Padina Pavonica thallus extract, geraniol, Eucalyptus globulus leaf oil, chlorphenazine, plankton extract, Anthemis nobilis flower oil, citronellol, potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, caramel, Cinnamomum campora, camphor, wood oil, limonene, Mentha arvensis leaf oil, tocopherol, xanthan gum, caprylyl glycol, Citrus aurantium dulcis, orange, oil, fragrance, parfum, Tephrosia purpurea seed extract, Vitis vinifera, grape, seed oil, menthol, eugenia. Caryophyllus, clove, leaf oil, sodium hydroxide, glyceryl caprylates, lactic acid/glycolic acid copolymer, phenylpropanol, palmitoyl tetrapeptide 50, polyvinyl alcohol, heptapeptide 15 palmitate. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.